Listen, I'm thinking these may be the best Aunt Pearl yet. Okay, it's been a minute since the last time I played in the KDs other than the recent retro KD3s, so I'm very excited to bring you guys the unboxing of the latest KD16. Right off the bat, we have a matte black shoebox with KD's signature on the side. Flip to the top, we do have a pattern with gears and buttons. I don't understand what this is about, but if you know, leave the comments below so we can all learn something new. On the side, we do have the tag says KD16 NRG in my size 10.5. Lift the box open, we have our first glimpse on the KD16 Aunt Pearl. Wow, this colorway is loud. Doesn't matter if you're good at basketball, you step in these, you already a winner in my book. Let's take a closer look. We only have one color on the shoe, maybe two. But for the majority of the shoe, pink is a key. We have this regular pink on the upper, including the tongue, and a fierce pink surrounding the shoe. Other than the eye-popping color, we do have some nice details as well. See the fuzzy shoelace? I absolutely love it. And on the synthetic leather panel, we have this flory design, pays homage for KD's aunt. Damn, I can't take my eyes off the shoe. And to wrap up the special all pink design, we have this translucent bottom for that killer finish. Alright, enough talking, let's put them on feet for that heat check. Damn, these are so fire. $470, do you think these are a cop or drop? Let me know in the comments.